Hi, my name is Jeremy Harridath with Peace Home Lending. And if you were on a forbearance program as a result of COVID, I think this video may be for you. Because if you were on forbearance, you may be asking the question, can I refinance? And if you refinanced already, great. But a lot of times, and with different articles and videos that you see on the internet, you may not be sure. So my recommendation, even before I continue, is if you were on forbearance and you haven't refinanced or you want to refinance, reach out to a loan officer, whether it be me or someone else. Reach out to someone and ask the question, because I think every scenario is going to be slightly different. If you were on forbearance and you reinstated your loan, you paid the bulk amount of money that you owed as a result of not making your mortgage payment, you can refinance right away today. We've had clients who owed money, they paid it in full, and we went to closing shortly afterwards. It's not a waiting period. In some cases where you have some sort of type of loss mitigation, where you're having a second lien as a result of the money that you didn't pay, or whether that amount is rolled into the back of the loan that you're going to pay after the loan is done or you sell the property, you would need to have at least 3 months payments on your mortgage in order to refinance. I had a borrower who reached out to me in July, and he was looking to come out of his forbearance and wasn't sure how that would look. We talked about it. He ended up having that amount that was due being paid on the back of the loan, meaning he's not making those payments on his principal and interest, but it's just a lump sum that in order for him to pay off the loan, that lump sum has to be paid off. Well, he ended up going with that option. He made 3 months payments. We had his loan ready to go after the second payment. So when he made his third, we got his loan clear to close, and he actually closes today. He wasn't sure what to do. We went through the steps. He closed today. He's happy. He was able to do it as a rate and term refinance, paying off his current loan with that lump sum that was due. So in this case, it was not considered a cash out refinance. It was considered a rate term refinance because we paid that one lien, and he was very happy because he was in a situation with a higher rate. He had mortgage insurance. We refinanced him with no appraisal, no mortgage insurance. And of course, every situation is going to be different. But I know there are folks out there who are still in forbearance, who were in forbearance, who have a that balloon or that second, and they're not sure what to do. Actually, we have a client closing tomorrow who had a second lien set up with HUD. And I will add that it took us almost 45 days to get this payoff from HUD. So it can be a very challenging time frame as far as getting the loan closed, but that's kind of where we come in and we help obtain the payoff, put all the pressure points to get the payoff, and she's going to be closing, and she did a cash out refinance, and it's working out well for her. But keep in mind, it's a different plane that we're on. Every lender is different, every servicer is different, and who you use matters. So if you were in a forbearance or are in forbearance and you have questions, you're not sure what to do, you're not sure what the path is to complete your goals, reach out to me, Jeremy Harridath, 917-582-9874, and we will chat with you soon.